SMS lead generation is the process of using text messages to capture leads, start conversations, and move interested prospects toward a next step. Unlike crowded email inboxes or skippable ads, text messages are typically read within minutes, which means you're reaching people when their interest is highest. SMS works because it removes friction. No long forms, no app downloads, just a short, direct message that's easy to respond to. That speed builds trust, and keeps momentum going before distractions take over. Here are 5 approaches that generate leads faster. 1. Two-way texting. Start real conversations that qualify leads in real time. 2. Keyword opt-ins. Customers text a word and are instantly added to your list. 3. Click-to-text campaigns. A pre-filled message opens with one tap. 4. Exclusive content offers. Give people a reason to opt in right now. 5. Automated follow-ups. Timely messages that keep leads moving without manual effort. Always be transparent about what subscribers are signing up for. Relevant, well-timed messages outperform high-volume blasts. Track opt-in rate, response rate, and conversion rate, not just total messages sent. Visit Mailchimp.com to try Mailchimp's SMS tools today.